Who says pasta dinners have to be expensive? These 10 pasta and side combos are all under $3 per serving, and they taste like something you'd get at a restaurant.
Number 1. Spaghetti aglio e olio plus garlic bread. Perfectly cooked spaghetti tossed in garlic and olive oil, served with warm, buttery garlic bread you'll want seconds of. Number 2. Pesto pasta plus side salad. Fresh basil pesto coating tender pasta, balanced with a crisp lettuce and tomato salad for a light, refreshing plate. Number 3. Tomato basil penne plus roasted veggies. Bright tomato sauce with fresh basil over penne, paired with caramelized roasted vegetables for a wholesome meal. Number 4. Creamy Alfredo fettuccine plus steamed broccoli. Silky Alfredo sauce over fettuccine, served alongside fresh steamed broccoli for a comforting, balanced dish. Number 5. Bolognese spaghetti plus garlic bread. Rich, meaty bolognese over spaghetti with golden garlic bread to soak up every bit of sauce. Number 6. Carbonara plus side Caesar salad. Classic carbonara with creamy egg and cheese sauce paired with a crunchy Caesar salad for contrast. Number 7. Seafood marinara plus garlic bread. Sweet shrimp in a tangy marinara sauce over pasta, served with soft, garlicky bread to complete the experience. Number 8. Mac and cheese plus steamed carrots. Cheesy, creamy macaroni served with tender steamed carrots for a simple, satisfying comfort meal. Number 9. Pasta primavera plus garlic bread. Colorful seasonal vegetables tossed with pasta and olive oil, served with warm, buttery garlic bread. And number 10. Tuna pasta plus side salad. Light pasta tossed with flaked tuna, paired with a crisp, fresh salad of greens and ripe tomatoes.
These pasta and side combos prove you can eat well for under $3. Which one will you try first?
Subscribe for more budget-friendly recipes that are easy, tasty, and won't drain your wallet.